What's up, guys? So today I've got my new scooter. It's Christmas, so I've got my new scooter on me, guys. So I'm gonna undo it. I'm gonna show you how to install Phoenix handlebars and bearing headset sort of. So I got my bag of tools here, and let's get this show on the road. Is that what they say? I actually can't remember. I just dropped the one that I needed on the floor. Bethan smells. Oh, sorry, that's my cousin. She's on my... Oh, am I tightening it? Oh, I was tightening it. Yeah, make sure you don't do that. Make sure you don't tighten it when you're trying to get it off. This isn't going very well, is it? Right, let's just turn you like that. That's even more annoying. There we are. So, take these out. Make sure that doesn't move when you try and do it there. Right, so that's that. You might want to pull your clamp all the way up to the top, and then step on it and just wiggle and lift. Wiggle and lift. I just moved it back up. There we are. See? And then we're just going to lay that on the side. You're just going to pull your clamp off. Like that. Like so. You're going to stick your bolts with your clamp. And then you're going to stick your handlebars to the side. Now you are going to undo your compression, which is this thing at the top. Oh, I'm tightening it. Just keep going. There we are. So you get that and that. Two things like that. Keep that in there. We'll just move that over to the side. Keep that with our shim. And then we're just going to pull this up. So this is the Phoenix bit here, and that black bit that you saw. Just keep twisting and pulling until it comes off. Don't want to do that. So you've got this, you've got your bearing, and your fork. Now always stick your bearings on your fork because you don't want them to get dirty. And then, so yeah, that's it. That's taking them off. And this is how you stick them back on. So I've got some GT85 here. It's sort of like a grease, but not, I guess. I don't actually know whether I should be doing this in the inside or not. So there we are. That is just going to go one like that. Make sure you have like a rag underneath it, though, because you don't want it to drip on the floor. So I'm just using old stuff. Make sure you don't get it on top of anything, so you won't think you've lost something. Right, so this is the bearing that goes on the fork, on the bottom of the fork. And I always remember it by that little slanted bit pointing upwards. which is on the bottom because then it clips in. So do 4 squirts and go around. 2, 4. Try and get rid of the smell. When my fire alarm's going off, you know, thinking they can smell gas. You slide that on here, and then you put it through your deck, like so. And then you're going to want to pull this bit out your top bearing, an arrow pointing down on this one, and then so it clicks in sort of. I'm going to go. I'm going to do 3 on this one. And now you're going to stick this in. It should click in, there we are. That's it. Now it stops this from moving forwards. Now we've got your Phoenix cover thing. Now I'm just going to dry this, sort of. Just get any dirt off of it. Like that. There we are. There we are. And now we're just going to slide this on over the top. The noise that you can hear in the background is probably my cousin playing on the PS4. And then we're going to grab our shim and stick it, the hole pointing down that way, going down the deck. And then we're going to grab our compression. I prefer to take the bolt out and stick that on top. And then stick the bolt in. And you can do it up with your fingers, you can do it how you like. But I prefer to do it up with my fingers, it seems to be quicker. Up until you can't do it no more. Right, and you grab your Allen key, and you go 1/4 of a turn. So 1. Wait. Just make sure you spin it good. Now my key is coming undone really easily, so I'm just going to tweak it a little bit. Tweak, done. Just going to do that. Put a little bit in the hole. Now you're going to stick your Phoenix clamp on, but you don't want any dirt or anything on there, because otherwise it'll start to seize up or something. Something bad might happen. And you're just going to pop that on, and then you're done. No, I'm only kidding. And then you just want to stick your little things in. I do these up by my hands just so that I can't lose them. My mum's got her ringtone stuck in my head. Right, now you're going to grab your bars. And you're just going to slide these on top. Without it falling off, you know, might be a little bit helpful. There we are. Now I just want to line them up. Whey! Falling over. which is never a good idea. Just so you can see how to line them up. So, my wheels and my bars. So that's my bars when they're straight. Keep knocking it. So you're happy. Oh, here's the time for the tricky bit. Trying to actually this thing. Do a full turn each time. And then there we are. That's better. Now, keep going with your full turns. Until you start to feel it getting tight. Oh, I missed out a turn on this one. There we are. Ouch, that really hurt. So yeah, that is 1 minute. That is how to take off your handlebars and all your and your bearings and your headset and everything like that. And that's how to install them on a Phoenix. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Like and subscribe for more videos, and I will see you with another Phoenix special.